This morning we are starting out with a simple bagel and smoothie breakfast because we have been crazy busy lately. That's actually why today's video is a bit different for you all. Chance stepped in today and filled some cleaning motivation for you all, and he even got our Christmas tree set up. I had a lot of fun editing this video. Chance brought a lot of personality and humor to the video that I hope you all enjoyed just as much as I did. But first, enjoy some cleaning motivation brought to you by Mr. Cintron.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band. Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
I mentioned earlier in the video that we have been super busy. This was filmed right before Chance was actually going into tech for a Christmas show that he is working on. I was closing a show pre-Christmas while I was also in rehearsals for a Christmas show. So basically I call this a crossover where I have performances during the day and then I have rehearsals before and after my performances. So it's rehearsal, performance, or it's rehearsal all day for 8 hours into a performance, and it gets pretty hectic and crazy. So we were really behind on a lot of stuff in the house. Today that I'm editing this, we actually got caught up on laundry. It was the worst backup we have ever had, and I actually opened a brand new Christmas show this week and then another children's show I'm choreographing and in the following week. So it's been really crazy in the Cintron household, but we love creating theater and we love creating YouTube content, so we just help each other out, and I'm so grateful that he was able to do all of this for me.
Christmas in my heart.
I'm dreaming of a winter vacation. All right, back to our regularly scheduled program.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year.
The kitties are fighting.
Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got.
I'm just kidding. Oh no, maybe I shouldn't kid. I just broke the tree! Not really, I'm still kidding.
My wife will probably tell me that we have to move it, and I know she's right, but this is where I have to put it for now.
So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba da ba ba da.
Because Chance helped me out so much during the day while I had rehearsals and performances, I was able to do an Epsom salt soak before bed. For my baths, I'm a big Dr. Teal's stand, and I'm using the tea tree one for relaxation. I also use the Tree Hut Sugar Scrubs in tandem with this antibacterial scrub sponge. It's also hypoallergenic. To remove my stage makeup, I always use Pond's Cold Cream, and I wash away any residue that's left behind with my normal face wash. And then to complement the Epsom salt, I decided I should use this tea tree and peppermint bath foam that I got from Bath & Body Works last Christmas. And I'm also adding in some of Chance's body wash because I wanted to smell like him at the end of this really long day. Before I get into the bath, I'm just throwing my robe and PJs into our towel warmer. Honestly, one of my favorite gifts I've ever received because I'm perpetually cold. We're ending the video here. The next video we have for you all is full on Christmas decor, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. We will see you all next week for a brand new video. So Chance is sleeping on the couch right now.
Come make me a cat dad on camera. Here. Come make me a cat dad on camera. This could be a thumbnail. cat dad cleans. Ow. That hurt. The kitties are fighting. I'm actually allergic to cats, but I love them anyways. Bonnie seems to like the new location already.